Hello guys. I will show to you how to replace your expired Globe at Home prepaid Wi-Fi SIM card. To get you started, you need to visit www.q.globe.com.ph. Choose Make an Appointment. Check the CAPTCHA to verify that you are not a robot. Then click Get Started button. You then choose the appointment type on the drop-down menu. Choose Change SIM from the choices under Priority. Select I'm a regular customer. Then click Next. From here you may choose from this options. It's up to our preference. I chose Search a Store option and then select the kilometer for the distance you prefer to travel to change your expire SIM card. On a 20-kilometer distance it will show to you stores that has Globe outlets. SM Cebu is near but there is no available appointment slots. Same goes to Ayala Center Cebu. So I choose SM Consolution. A pop-up dialog. You then choose Book an Appointment. You will then see Booking Schedule, where color blue indicates available booking slots and white are already booked. Choose your preferred time. But there are different available time depends on your chosen date. I then go to SM Consolution for my scheduled appointment. Be sure to go there on time. It is located at Cyberzone 2nd floor of SM Consolution. And the guy knows where I am headed. Amazing. Just kidding. This is where the Globe store located. I went inside and the staff is already expecting me as it is already in their database who were scheduled for appointment on that day. The staff will ask for the modem including the electrical plug to power the modem. You need to pay 88 pesos for the SIM card. Globe at Home prepaid Wi-Fi modem has their own SIM cards. If you know some retailers like Load Retailers, they also sell this SIM cards, but I haven't tried it yet. So same with other SIM cards, you also need to register your SIM card. It is in the SIM Registration Act, officially designated as Republic Act No. 11934 and commonly referred to as the SIM card law, is a Philippine law mandating the registration of SIM cards before activation. Under the measure, mobile device users must register their SIM cards, whether prepaid or postpaid. The staff will hand you his phone. This is where you will input your information so that the new SIM will be registered. The process took only 23 minutes excluding the travel. You now have a new SIM card for your Globe at Home prepaid Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.